Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today we'll be breaking down the QQQ, the Nasdaq 100 tracker, and discussing the news that's affecting it. Let's start by looking at the recent news surrounding the Nasdaq. Yesterday, October 21st, 2024, the Nasdaq closed higher, but not without some volatility, as investors continued to assess a recent cut to interest rates from the Federal Reserve. The market has been relatively strong in recent weeks, but there are concerns that the Fed may not be as aggressive with future rate cuts, which could impact market sentiment. Looking at the Google search results, we see that investors are interested in what's happening with the Nasdaq and the Dow, as well as the overall market direction. The recent interest rate cut has prompted questions about the Nasdaq's future direction, particularly as we're nearing the end of the year. Many analysts are looking at upcoming earnings reports from major tech companies, which could have a significant impact on the Nasdaq's performance. These earnings reports will provide insights into the health of the tech sector, which is a major driver of the Nasdaq's performance. Overall, the market is experiencing a period of uncertainty, with investors trying to assess the impact of recent events and future economic developments. Let's dive into the charts and see what they tell us about the current state of the Nasdaq 100. First, let's take a look at the daily chart, which provides a broader perspective of QQQ's price action over the past several months. Zooming out on the chart, we can see that QQQ has been trending upwards since June, with a significant surge in price in recent weeks. The chart shows that QQQ has broken through several resistance levels, indicating strong buying pressure. However, we can see that the recent surge in price has led to a steeper slope, which may signal that a pullback is approaching. A pullback can occur after a rapid ascent, as investors may take profits or wait for a better entry point. This pullback could be a healthy correction, allowing the market to consolidate gains before continuing its upward trend. Looking closer at the daily chart, we can identify key support and resistance levels. The 360 level appears to be a strong support level, as QQQ has bounced off it in the past. On the other hand, the 370 level has been acting as resistance in recent weeks, limiting QQQ's upward move. These support and resistance levels can be valuable tools for traders, as they provide potential price targets and entry or exit points. Now, let's delve into the 1-hour chart, which provides a more granular view of QQQ's price action over the past day. The 1-hour chart shows that QQQ has been experiencing significant volatility over the past 24 hours, with several rapid price swings. We can see that QQQ has broken through the 370 resistance level, which is a positive signal for bulls. However, the price action has been choppy, with frequent reversals, indicating uncertainty in the market. Looking at the most recent candles, we can see that QQQ is attempting to consolidate gains around the 371 level. This consolidation may indicate that buyers are taking profits or waiting for further confirmation before pushing prices higher. If QQQ can break above the 371 level decisively, it could signal a continuation of the upward trend. On the other hand, if the price drops below the 370 level, it could signal a pullback or a shift in momentum. Lastly, let's take a closer look at the 15-minute chart, which provides the most granular view of QQQ's price action. The 15-minute chart reveals a more rapid and volatile price action with frequent reversals. We can see that QQQ has been consolidating around the 494 level for the past few hours, with buyers and sellers seemingly battling for control. The 494 level is a critical point for QQQ, as a break above it could trigger a rally, while a break below could lead to a sell-off. Traders should be aware of the potential for rapid price movements in both directions on this time frame. It's important to use stop-loss orders to manage risk, as quick price swings can be detrimental to traders. As we've analyzed the daily, hourly, and 15-minute charts, we've identified several key price levels to watch. The 360 level on the daily chart is a strong support level, while the 370 level has been acting as resistance in recent weeks. On the 1-hour chart, the 371 level is a critical point for QQQ, as a break above it could signal a continuation of the upward trend. Finally, on the 15-minute chart, The 494 level is a pivotal point where a break above it could trigger a rally. These key price levels can be valuable indicators of potential price targets and entry or exit points for traders. Overall, the QQQ is currently exhibiting signs of bullish momentum, but the market is experiencing a period of uncertainty. The recent rate cut has provided some support to the market, but concerns about future Fed action could impact sentiment. Upcoming earnings reports from major tech companies will provide crucial insights into the health of the tech sector and potentially influence the Nasdaq's direction. Traders should be cautious and monitor the market closely for any signs of a shift in momentum. Keep an eye on the key price levels we've identified, as they can provide valuable insights into potential price targets and entry or exit points. Remember to always use stop-loss orders to manage risk and trade responsibly.